Voice important for class 9 and 10. Active, the workers repaired the bridge. Passive হব the bridge past tense আছে repaired সেইকাৰণে the bridge singular was হব repaired past participle repaired হব by the workers. I have bought a few books. Passive a few books আগত আহিব present perfect tense a books a few books plural number হয় সেইকাৰণে have been হব bought by me. Active I delivered all the letters আগত আহিব I delivered simple past tense all the letters plural আছে সেইকাৰণে to be verb were আহিব were delivered by I থাকিলে me. Active the members elected him secretary. ইয়াত him আগত আহি যাব আগত আহিলে পেছিভত he হ'ব past tense হয় সেইকাৰণে was হ'ব he was elected secretary. Active the grandmother looks after the child. The child আগত আহিব object হয় আগত আহিব subject হ'ব the child singular simple present tense সেইকাৰণে is হ'ব lookৰ লগত s আছে সেইটো চাই গম পালো যে simple present tense. Lookৰ past participle looked is looked after by the grandmother. Active carelessness causes accidents. Passive the accidents আগত আহিব accidents আছে plural আছে সেইকাৰণে are হ'ব simple present tense causeৰ past participle caused by carelessness. The students decorated the stage. Passive হ'ব the stage আগত আহিব decorated simple past tense was আহিব decorated by the students.